Looking to add a splash of autumn charm to your dining table without sacrificing practicality? Aunt Martha's fall-colored dinner napkins offer just that, vibrant hues paired with durable, easy-care fabric that stands up to everyday use. These 20-inch by 20-inch napkins come hemmed on all four sides, ensuring they stay neat wash after wash, while their spill-resistant cotton keeps small messes from ruining your outfit or your tablecloth. I recently picked up a set of these napkins, and they've quickly become my go-to for seasonal decor. The set includes 4 colors, orange, green, yellow, and a soft mauve-purple, that complement my fall-themed centerpiece perfectly. I appreciated that they were pre-shrunk and pre-washed, so I didn't have to worry about shrinking or color fading after washing. Plus, their quality cotton fabric feels sturdy yet soft, making them versatile for both decorative use and everyday meals. Whether you want to add embroidery, fabric paint, or simply let their colors shine on their own, these napkins adapt easily to your style. What really sold me was how practical they are. I've had my share of spills during family dinners, and these napkins soak up messes without looking worn out. They're machine washable and dry quickly, so you can keep your table looking fresh all season long. If you're looking for a simple way to brighten your fall gatherings or want napkins that combine style with function, Aunt Martha's set is worth a look. Try them when you're ready to upgrade your table's seasonal vibe with ease.